Hello everybody, I am Amber Williams. I am the founder, the CEO, and the head engineer of Circa81 Design. Oh my God, it's taken me a long time to get here. The Circa81 brand was founded in 2016. I expanded the brand in 2020 to be Circa81 Design. It took me a long road to get here. It really happened in 2018. I had already had my Circa81 Kids luxury retailer brand already established, and I was starting to get burned out again. And I was like, I need more to this. And I had a friend come to me and say, hey Amber, what do you really want to do? And I was like, I really want to design children's furniture. So long story short, I started sketching, didn't know I could do all these things, but I really dig deep to get here. And then after that, I ended up saying, I had an aha moment and was like, I can do more with this. And then ended up getting into an engineering program, and Circa81 Design was expanded and born. And we are a design engineering operations firm that specializes in full service design, land planning, procurement, construction administration, project management, and advisory service. And we assist Native American tribes, public and private sectors in achieving their goals. We could go on, we could go on, we can go on, but I'm excited about what we're doing now and the projects we have ahead and the municipalities that we're working with. And I can't wait to dig in and share more. What makes you different? What makes us different? One, we are an SBA certified women, minority, and Native American owned company. And if you know me personally, I'm always saying this phrase, family and legacy focus, and really that's my mission. I'm focused on my family, I'm focused on my legacy, and I have a huge mission. I've known since the age of 5 that I came here to do big things, and I want to give back to my community in so many ways, but one of my communities that I'm very proud of is that I'm a registered enrolled tribal member of Muskogee Creek Nation. And you know, us Native Americans, we have been set back for so long, but it's our time to shine, and it is one of my missions to be able to give back. Not only is that, I'm able to open doors with the different wisdom and education that I have in different industries that I worked in to be able to mentor and help these different municipalities create stronger infrastructures. Where do you see your company in 5 years? Global. Global is where I see us. I see more impact. I'm not gonna talk about financial numbers because that's between me and my team, but I see us making huge impact not only in Native American tribes and communities, municipalities, different government agencies, but also I have a dream of, not even a dream, I'm basically doing it, of being a developer. So I see us going and buying the block back, going and taking land and creating on there. That's where I see globally my company's reach, having a global footprint and collaborating with larger companies and also small companies that are wanting to create a bigger impact. What tip of advice would you give to someone who's breaking into entrepreneurship? Breaking into entrepreneurship is not for everybody. I think on the internet, they make it seem like, you know, anybody can be an entrepreneur, and that's not true. You need to have a vision. You need to have a mission. You need to continuous improvement, meaning you're constantly improving yourself. You need to be open-minded. You need to have a team. And one thing that I have is a mentor who always tells me all the time, like, Amber, it's never lonely at top when you're bringing your friends. I truly believe your net worth is your network. I think I said that right. I've always been a connector. I've always been someone who wanted to be a resource for other people. And so however I can ever give back, I can. And you have to work your ass off. And I'm gonna say that with so much conviction. You need to be courageous and fearless. I mean, there was a lot, but I feel that's what you need to be entrepreneur, and you need a little bit of delusion. What does it take to build a strong brand? I think I didn't mention this in any of the other questions, but A lot of people don't know that I have a background in publicity. So I've worked with different artists, athletes, and companies. Building a brand is very important. It's taken me a while to get to where I am now, but I think it's really important that you must be telling a story all the time. Like documenting your journey, really giving people a little bit of an open view of what's going in your mind. I don't think that people need to really understand you. I think it's really good when you're a mystery to people. They're just like, why does that girl tick? Why? But I think that you should always be telling a story and take us on a journey on why we should be supporting you. And at the end of the day, when they see you have these victories, they're like, oh my God, I saw it from the beginning. She's been telling a story. And I say the same thing over and over again. My story is I'm a third generation entrepreneur. I'm focused on family and my legacy. It's the same thing, and it fits into so many buckets. So if you are an entrepreneur out there and you're wanting to expand your business, you gotta create a brand, you've gotta have a story, and you need to document it. And I know that's hard for some people, especially for engineers, but if you're wanting to create something that's very impactful and it can have a global footprint, you've gotta have a brand story. You've gotta document your journey. You've got to let people know what you're doing. So I hope that helps.